Okay, the hole is, the line has been tapped, the high pressure line here. And you can see I have this assembly made so it goes in. And what I'm doing is I slotted this stud so that I can put a screwdriver in here and run that down in there. There we go, get some bite on it. I want that down pretty far. That's about it. And then this, I'll tighten up there, making sure it's not on the line here. And then we'll snug this down. Make sure that's okay. Well, let's see if it'll pull it out. Well, something's popping. I guess it I guess it's coming out. I don't know. Yeah. Well, there you go. It broke it. How's that? That's just great. Didn't do anything. Now what? Well, now we'll have to tap it deeper. You see there, he broke that line off. Okay.